Alright, today we're going to open some more Weiß Schwarz. This is the Disney 100. This is the Japan edition. It's very unlikely they're going to release this in the US since Disney's coming out with their own trading card game here pretty soon. There's 16 packs in here. And if we go ahead and look at the back here, you can see the breakout. There are 100 base cards. And then there's 100 parallels of those cards in different varieties. There's super short prints, and I'll pop them up on the screen there, the translations. Without further ado, let's pop this open, open some packs up. "100 Years of Wonder." And we do get a box topper here, knife in the sleeve. And we got the Pixar Disney one. This is the 12th card. So there's 12 different promo toppers. Pretty cool though. And then we got our 16 packs. And we have same details on the back here. Made in Japan. So I know some of these cards have been going for quite a bit. The super rare ones. Not really sure on the print runs of the different versions. I'm not sure if that's published. But these are, I'm pretty excited about these. And I probably won't know all the IPs, so yeah, forgive me for being a little bit off. I would think this is like Cinderella, but I don't know. Was there an alligator in Cinderella? Okay, I know that one's Peter Pan. That one, not sure. Maybe Frozen? It's gotta be Cinderella. Oh, and here we go. We got a double rare. We got Mickey, Goofy, and Donald. Yeah, Minnie Mouse. More Peter Pan. Then we got a rare here. Mickey, Mary Poppins. And then we have a Pixar card. This is the Climax Common. A little bit different than the promo. So they look quite similar. We've got Monster Inc., Toy Story. There's Frozen. Alice in Wonderland. That's a cool picture. Is that the Seven Dwarfs? Disney 100 years. Aladdin. We got a rare here. This one's yeah, that's Cinderella as well. You see the little fairy skin already, I think. I could be getting this all wrong. And then we have our climax. That's climax rare, I think. I forget what movie that is with the dogs, where they eat the lasagna. Well, it's not lasagna, it's spaghetti. Not sure which one that one's from. Peter Pan. Bunch of kittens playing with paint. Another Cinderella. That's a duplicate of what we've already got. A couple of dupes. 101 Dalmatians. Beauty and the Beast. And then we have the rare Mickey card there. Steamboat Willy style. And then we got that Pixar card again. So there's 3 different sets of these. Well, they're like certain cards can be played together, and there's 3 different of those in this set, which is a little unusual. Normally, you buy one of these. They're usually based off of animes, popular animes, and all the cards work together that are similar. But in this case, we have few different setups. Like this is, I think Marvel. Yeah, that's Captain Marvel. You got that right. The card we already had. I think that's Finding Nemo, maybe. That's video game character. I can't think of it right now. Something Chuck or something like that. Wreck-It Ralph. Wreck-It Ralph, that's it. All right, there's our rare. That's from, I think, Ben 10. Is that right? Oh, and that's it's a really good comedy cartoon with the sloth that's works at the DMV. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of early duplicates. I mean, obviously we're going to get duplicates because it's only 100 cards in the set, but I think that's the Mandalorian. It's a double rare. That's our second double rare we've gotten. And then we get a Minnie Mouse rare. Then Winnie the Pooh. Frozen again. Maybe that's Moana. Being that one wrong. I think that's Star Wars. I think that's Anakin. Here we go. We got ourselves a super rare. So far, that is, I think, our best hit. Yeah. So, Piglet. Tigger. And then we got another Marvel. That's cool. By your side, VIP ticket. Lion King. Oops, dropping everything. Ah, look at that. Got another super rare. I'll put it up. I can't remember which one this is from. This is it's where the girl, I think in China or something, dresses up in men's clothing so that she can fight. I think that's what that's from. And that's Winnie the Pooh, rare. Mulan. I think that was Mulan. I don't think I've ever actually seen it, but I know it from Kingdom Hearts. You can see we're running through quite a few duplicates here. We're looking for some more of these super rares. And then we have Aladdin. And then we have the Climax rare there. It's a cool looking card. Oh, we have a new one there. It's a Dumbo, I think. Pinocchio. Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. Very cool, very cool. Another Frozen card. Not Mufasa. That's what is Mufasa? I think of what the main Lion King's dad's name was. Then we got Tigger, super rare. Doing pretty good on pull rates here. Then we got Peter Pan. Got a more modernized Disney logo. I think that's Pocahontas back there. I feel like we've gotten a lot of this Monster Inc. card. Oh, and we got another double rare. That's from Moana. Saying that right? I think that's also from Frozen, the rare. Under the Sea. There's our rare. At the And then we get the same climax card there. So there's 4 more sets here, and then let's see what we ended up with. Wouldn't mind a couple more rare cards. But we've been got some pretty good pulls. But, they're fairly expensive right now. So, oh, here we go. Very nice. So this is definitely one of the more rare cards. So, very happy with that pull. No idea what that character's from. There's our rare, Alice in Wonderland. Very sharp looking card. I think that's Lilo and Stitch, the little blue monster alien. Got the genie. Oh, Bambi, classic. Another one of the princesses. Oh, that's probably the one with the long hair. Can't remember the name. Another climax rare as well. Oh, definitely didn't see some of these cards. Glad we get them here at the end. And then our final rare. And our final card. And that was all the packs. We ended up pulling 3 super rares, 1 100 rare, and then we had the promo insert. So probably about average for a box like that, so nothing special. We didn't get any crazy hits. Even though I like that 100 rare, I don't think it is that uncommon. But anyways, till next time.